What the hell was that? Maybe if I wait it out, he'll go away. Look, why are you sitting in my coffee? Are you just gonna stare at me? I don't get it. Why did you ruin a perfectly good cup of coffee by sitting in it? I don't understand. What? Are you just gonna sit there? All right. You know what? Look. You know what? Sit tight. Enjoy feeling the warm coffee on your ass cheeks, and I'll be right back. Don't move. I'm gonna fix his ass. All right. What book would be big enough to kill a monkey? Chronicle of the 20th Century. 2,000 pages long. That's all to do it. Hey, monkey, I got a surprise for you. Monkey? Monkey! Hey, don't come back, you asshole! Stupid monkey. Made me late for work. What the hell was that? What the hell? Hello? Who is this? Is this the monkey? But how'd you get... Hello? You! Alright. Fine. Have it your way, monkey. Be right back. Sit tight. Monkey? Where the hell did he go? Where's my toothbrush? Hey, monkey! Where'd you go? Where's my toothbrush? What the hell? Monkey? Monkey, open the door. Monkey, unlock the door! Unlock the door, you asshole! Hey man, what's up? Yeah, alright. I don't know how this happened, but there is a monkey in my house, and to be quite honest, he's a real dickhead. Yeah, I know. Well, I gotta go to work, man, and I don't know, could you come over and help me catch him or something? No, I'm not gonna call an exterminator. Look, just come over, I've got an idea, and I need your help. Alright, bye. Hey, what's up?
How are you? So let's catch this damn thing.
Yeah, man, thanks. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, I brought the Cajun dip.
Why did you bring Cajun dip?
To catch the monkey. We're gonna use the Cajun dip to catch the monkey.
I was just gonna use this banana.
That's ridiculous. Everyone knows monkeys don't like bananas.
Alright, you know what? Fine. Why don't we just put out the Cajun dip and the banana and we'll let the monkey decide?
Well, fine. We'll let the monkey decide, but I know he's gonna choose the Cajun dip. Fine, let's go catch this thing.
Fine. Alright, here's the plan. The monkey's gonna go for the banana. When he goes for it, he's gonna knock the pole out from under the box, get trapped under the box, we take the box up, bam, kill him with the big red book.
I disagree. I think he's going to go for the Cajun dip.
Who's at the door?
I don't know. Go check your door. I'll get out of here.
How?
Has 2 other vehicles of her own. So I told her I didn't need
The car is in your name.
but I need the money.
Right, the car's in your name.
That's correct.
So if you come here and you ask me to order her to pay you for the car because it's not a gift and she can't prove
You gotta be kidding me, man.
What? I told you we choose the Cajun dip. You like that monkey? Mm-hmm. My best friend.
You asshole!